Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best shower squeegees that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Shower Squeegee. There's no mistaking the OXO Good Grips Squeegee for anything other than what it is, a shower squeegee. At the same time, there are few other shower squeegees that work so well and so easily and store away so neatly wherever in the shower enclosure you want to put it. Want to attach it to a discrete portion of the glass or the ceramic tile in an out-of-the-way place? No problem with OXO's easy-to-use suction cup mounting system. More than just convenient though, it's also uber effective. It has a flexible blade that doesn't shrink from or ignore uneven surfaces, an ergonomic grip that makes getting a firm hold easy as pie, and it's wide enough that you can clear your big enclosure windows, shower door or tiles in just a few swipes. You'll enjoy streak-free cleanliness and your bathroom will be a healthier, better-smelling place for using it. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Command Satin Nickel Shower Squeegee. If you love the idea of a shower squeegee but don't want it to stick out like a sore thumb in your shower or bath enclosure, the Command Satin Nickel Shower Squeegee may be just what the doctor ordered. The Command is easy to install and hangs upside down from its stainless steel hook. This helps break up the squeegee profile a bit and allows it to meld into the surroundings. On top of that, it has a crystal clear lucite handle and a satin nickel finish, which both aid in its ability to blend in. But it's more than just the cuttlefish of shower squeegees. It's also extremely effective at removing all manner of water stains, soap residue, dirt, steam and more from your enclosure with just a few broad swipes. No need to apply glass cleaner. No need to leave the shower door open to let the moisture evaporate from the interior glass surfaces. The Command takes care of everything and then tucks away out of sight. At number 3, we have the simplehuman Foldaway Shower Squeegee. The simplehuman Foldaway Shower Squeegee understands that not everyone needs or wants to hang their shower squeegee out in the open, although there's a suction cup-enabled hook if you'd like to do that. The handle of this lightweight, effective squeegee folds down parallel to the blade when you're done with it, so you store it away quickly and effectively in any available drawer. If you want to hang it, you have the option of hanging it open or folded up, which really minimizes its visual footprint. The simplehuman Foldaway is fashioned from corrosion-proof materials that won't ever give in to the humidity in the shower. The handle is composed of die-cast zinc and provides an easy, firm grip. The motion is smooth and elegant on glass, tile, stainless and more. This is a cleverly designed, effective piece of bathroom maintenance kit and, for about the cost of a pizza, will make your home a more hospitable place for years to come. At number 2, we have the Magic Squeegee. The Magic Squeegee sports a utilitarian design that's not going to win any awards. But considering the job it does, which is all that really matters, it more than justifies its teeny tiny price tag. This is a durable, well-balanced, effective maintenance tool for your bathroom that will make short work of tiles, glass and metal surfaces. It's extremely lightweight and the rubber handle provides a sturdy, effective grip no matter how wet your hand may be. A claim a lot of more expensive squeegees can't make. Any non-porous surface is fair game for the Magic Squeegee. It even does a good job with small tiles and their typically irregular surface. As a rule, you should never pick a home maintenance item based solely on the price. But for what it costs, you'd be hard-pressed to justify passing this one up. And finally, at number 1, we have the Zack 40,000 Puro Bathroom Squeegee. Our final squeegee is a perfect example of the thought and care that goes into many of these seemingly simple, nondescript products. The Zack 40,000 Puro Bathroom Squeegee manages to squeeze an extra bit of innovation out of a well-worn idea. It does so by doing away with the handle and introducing a hanging notch in the blade area. When you suspend the 40,000 Puro in your shower stall, no one is going to know exactly what it is. That means you can use it as much as a design element as you can a maintenance tool. The 40,000 Puro is going to set you back a bit more than most other bathroom squeegees, but it will be worth it to many. This is not only a beautiful piece of industrial design, it's also versatile enough to fit seamlessly into both contemporary and traditional bathroom decors. It's lightweight, effective enough to thoroughly clean all your non-porous surfaces with just a few swipes. Simple to install on any bathroom surface with its adhesive backing and made of corrosion-proof materials. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.